Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a table in HTML and CSS. Now let's open a compiler, and after that now here we can create a new file. Just add a command Ctrl+N to create new file. Now here we can give a name to our file, and after that add .html. So this is for the HTML file creation, and after that here we can add some basic HTML code. Now press enter. Here you can see we got a code. Here we can add a title, creating table, and after that to create a table we can use table tag, and after that close this tag. So now in the table we need to create table row. Here we can use this tag tr, and after that we can close this tag. So now in the table row we can add table head, and here we can add some data, for example name, then close this tag. Now we can copy 2 times more, and here we can add some text, country and specialization. After that we can create one more row, and here we can add td. So this is for table description. Now we can copy this 2 times more, and after that here we can add description, and in the head section we can add some CSS. Just we can add style tag, and after that here we can add border. For that we need to add table as well as table row tr, then th, td. We can remove tr, and after that here we can add brackets, then add here code border, and after that 1px solid black. So this will be border color black. Here we can also set table width. Style is equal to width 70%. Now let's save it, and after that let's go to the file, and now here we can open this file in the browser. So here you can see we have created a table. If you want to add a heading on the top of the table, just here you can go h3, this is table heading, and after that close it. So here you can see now we have table heading on the top. If you want to align this content in the center, just you can add here center tag, then here you can add this tag. Now let's save and refresh it. So now here you can see content is aligned in the center.